So the piece is cool enough now. Now I'm not scrolling around this part to end up here because I need to draw this part out now. And now I'm going to be making the blade part. So on to that. So I needed something to hang on to. So this is going to be the part that I'm kind of going to be hanging on to. And then this part is what I'm going to be heating up. Go ahead and test the turn. Yeah, go. Now, as you notice, I'm wearing these sunglasses. They're not just sunglasses, these are 3M welding glasses. They protect your eyes from ultraviolet radiation from the gas forge. This is very important because the best way to work the steel is in low light or at night or 6 o'clock. So it makes it better for you to judge the steel, but you still want to protect your eyes. Now, if I was working in broad daylight, it'd make it a little bit harder to judge the steel, but because it's like watching a television in a lit room versus watching television in a dark room. Watching a television in a dark room is supposed to be bad for your eyes. So